A week after the glacier burst in Uttarakhand triggered massive flash floods, officials recovered 6 more bodies from the Tapovan tunnel on Sunday, where rescue operations are still underway. In all, 51 bodies have been recovered so far. Of these, only 24 have been identified, the police said. At least 39 people are trapped in this tunnel and 3 more bodies now visible on the slope near the cleared muck area. Explaining the rescue operations, Ravindra Singh, Information Officer of Uttarakhand government, said that the bodies were found from the silt flushing tunnel which was drilled into on Friday night. Disha Ravi, one of the founders of Fridays for Future, was on Sunday arrested by the Delhi police in connection with Swedish environmental activist Greta Thunberg's toolkit tweet on the ongoing farmers' protest in India. According to officials, Disha Ravi is a 21-year-old and lives in Bangalore. She was active in allegedly disseminating the toolkit which Thunberg had referred to in her post for the farmers and attached a Google document with details. The cybercrime cell of the Delhi police registered an FIR on charges of sedition, criminal conspiracy and promoting hatred against the creators of the toolkit. Shiv Sena spokesperson and MP Sanjay Raut on Sunday accused Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari of blocking several decisions taken by the state government due to political pressure. Sanjay Raut claimed that an open war is going on between Raj Bhavan and the Maharashtra government due to pressure from the BJP and accused the centre of using Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari to pressurize and destabilize the state government. Raut's statement comes a day after the Shiv Sena, which is in power in Maharashtra, Koshyari of towing the BJP's line and said that if the centre wants the constitution to be upheld, it should recall the governor. Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Dev has said that BJP has plans to not only expand across the country but in neighbouring nations as well. Recollecting a discussion he had with Home Minister Amit Shah while preparing for the Tripura Assembly election in 2018, the Chief Minister said that Amit Shah, who was then the BJP President, during a meeting spoke about overseas expansion after winning in all the states in India. By the end of February, an Indian private satellite carrying a photograph of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, a copy of the Bhagavad Gita and names of 25,000 citizens will be launched into space. The Satish Dhawan satellite or SDSat will be launched by the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, that is PSLV. According to a report by Hindustan Times, the nano satellite has been developed by Space Kids India, an organization dedicated to promoting space science among students. The satellite will also carry 3 scientific payloads, one to study the space radiation, one to study the magnetosphere, and another that will demonstrate a low-power wide-area communication network. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.